it's Anita. It's been a very long time since I made a video for YouTube. I didn't even know if I would ever come back online or if I wanted to. So I didn't push myself. I just spent the last few years waiting, listening, watching, working, watching the events of my life unfold and guide me. When I came back to Toronto in the summer of 2017, after years of traveling, I felt like my life had fallen apart. I had this idea of what my dream life should be. I was traveling, filming, and making content, and I loved it. But it all came crashing down, and I was forced to come back to Toronto, distraught and disappointed. But now as I look back at the last 5 years of living in one place, I wouldn't trade it for anything. I see how healthy it was for me to come offline and to discover who Anita is outside of my online identity. I processed a lot of grief that I didn't even know I had. I had time to heal, to understand my wounds, and to grow into something more. We also survived the last 2 or 3 years of the pandemic, and the world is different now. I'm different, and so are you. 9 months ago, I moved to a smaller town in the Niagara Peninsula, just at the edge of wine country. It's only an hour away from where I used to live outside of Toronto, but it feels like a whole different world. Actually, I came first just because I wanted to spend my summer outside, instead of indoors cooped up on my laptop, like I had spent the last 2 years of the pandemic. But then, surrounded by all this beauty and nature, something new has begun to emerge. Not only some new work, but also a desire to live at a better pace. To live in a way that's more sustainable, slower, and soulful. At first, I felt really alone. But slowly, I've started to make friends. And just recently discovered that I have a neighbor about my age who's a flower farmer.
That was fine. I just got a shot with it.
What are they?
Okay, so we have, I'm gonna screw this one up. It's Saponaria, Pink Beauty, and then these two are both bachelor buttons, but one is Blue Boy, and then one is the Artistic Magic Mix, which is like a purple. This is like a beautiful blue. So hopefully we can get that done today, and if we have time. Okay. So I'm putting in the soil on top, so not just that it's nutritious. It just blows my mind. Like this plant came from seed that's no bigger than it's like the green seed, which is just, it boggles my mind. Like how something so large and so beautiful comes from something so tiny. Okay, you want to know something? I know, it's so hard to not lose your spot. I know, that's why I've never grown before, and then these are forget-me-nots. So I had to take these guys out. We will be putting in like a support system for them because they will need it as they grow taller.
Being surrounded by all this nature, space, and beauty is quietly changing me.
Nice to see, right? All the flowers here.
Yeah.
So I arrange it.
It's like the beauty that I see when I'm looking out the window lands deep in my soul, and it's allowing me to recover. Instead of becoming more and more frazzled, I feel like I'm becoming more calm, centered, and grounded. After 3 years of churning out work, all pandemic long, I feel like I'm finally getting a chance to reset. And little by little, I'm finding my way back behind the camera. I can feel that my creative tank is getting filled up in that way that only happens when I have space, time, and I'm in an environment that inspires me. I even started to set up a little corner for video editing by putting some of my old photography up. These photos were just taken on a phone, and you can see I don't even frame them because I like to move them around. But it means a lot to me to have them up. I'm finding myself excited to think about the future and to dream about what can be created. I'm looking forward to sharing more of this new chapter in Niagara with you. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.